Hi guys, so my name is T. It's going to be my first tutorial on YouTube. I'm going to be showing you guys how to instantiate pointers, use pointers, and maybe some examples of how pointers could be very handy. And I'm going to keep this short because I don't have much time, but I really want to just get something started here and share my knowledge. So let's get started. So a pointer type is just basically like any other data type. It's a means to store things. So it's a container, just like an integer or a string, right? So let's make an integer here. Let's make a string here. Okay, and let's make our pointer. So how you make the pointer is whatever object or variable that you want to point to, you're going to put its data type. So let's say I want to make a pointer that's going to point to number, my integer. So what I'm going to do is put an int, and then I'm going to put this asterisk key. And this asterisk key is, it signals a pointer. So let's name it PTR to my int. Now, I'm going to show you the differences between, everything else, every other data type. So, data type, asterisk, and then name. Okay. So, whatever variable, object, anything that you want to point to or get the memory address of, this is how you would set it up. So if you have a vector, you would put vector, whatever data type you have, asterisk, and then name it. So like I said before, pointers are just basically a means to store, right? So just like an integer, an integer stores integer numbers, a string will store strings, pointers would store the memory addresses of that certain variable that you're trying to point to. So what we're going to do is we're going to assign ptrint right there, the memory address of number. So ptrint. So notice here that I can't just do this because ptrint is a container for a pointer to an integer, not an integer itself. So what you have to do is you have to use this AND key to dereference the number to access this address. Another way to access the address as well is just that, is AND symbol number. And then let's assign ptr string, or assign the address of word to ptr string. And again, I'm using the AND symbol to dereference word to get to the address. All right. So now that we've assigned it, let's see if it worked. That's the point, right? Things working. Okay, so I'm going to see out ptrint, and then also ptr string. Okay. Then also I'm going to show you what I just told you up there is the same things to access the address of whatever variable that you want to have access to. And then word. Okay. Now, let's also see out the value of number and then the value of of word. So let's assign number something, and then let's assign word something as well. Okay, so another question before I run it, because I'm going to run it all at once, but before I run it, so this should give you the value, right? And then this should give you the address. And then this should also give you the address. But what if you want to access the value with the address, right? So how do you do that? So the way to do that is by putting the asterisk in front of the pointer variable that you made. And that should give you the access to the value of the integer that you're pointing to, or whatever you're pointing to, right? So I'm going to copy and paste this down here. Okay. So let me type all this so it's all easier to see. Okay. So I have like a syntax error up here. Oh, okay. Nope. Just the IDE. Gotta love this. So let's run this now and see what's it gonna look like. Oh, you know what? It's not gonna look great. Oh, don't look at it. I forgot to put the end line. And that's gonna make it look a whole lot better. Okay. Alright, now let's run it. Alright, so let's match this up with what we wrote. So number, correct, right? The value. Here's ptrint, which was assigned the address of our number. And now here's number address by using the dereference symbol, which is the and. And then access to the value of number through a pointer by using the asterisk key. Alright, so down here we have the string word. Here's the address of the string by using the pointer. And here's the address of the string again using the dereference variable, or the symbol, sorry. I get those kind of mixed up. I use them interchangeably, so don't mind me. And then here's the value of the string word being accessed by the pointer using the asterisk symbol. All right. And that's that. I will show you a little bit more on how to use it with vectors and even strings. It's very easy to use if you know how to use them, obviously, right? But stick with me and I will show you how fun they could be. All right, thanks you guys for watching, and I'm out.